My Storybird is on germs, created by me, Shoshana Newman. A Storyboard. Germs and How to Prevent Them, created by Shoshana Newman, illustrated by Paul McDougall, published on October 30th, 2019. Germs are small, invisible organisms that exist all throughout the air around us. Although we cannot see them, germs can be in your room, bathroom, or even school. They can easily make us sick when we do not use proper hygiene. When someone is not feeling well and maybe coughs or sneezes without covering their mouth or nose, these invisible germs can spread to us, causing us to not feel well just like our friend. It is always important to cover your mouth or nose when you have to cough or sneeze. But do not worry, there are many ways to stay healthy and avoid these germs from getting to you. An immune system is your body's ability to fight off diseases. By keeping your immune system strong, you are at a much lower risk of catching a cold. Always wash your hands multiple times a day. When you touch items like door handles and tables, germs can be all over them from the previous person who touched those items. When you have these germs on your hands, you may touch your face, which causes you to get sick. Washing your hands prevents germs from spreading throughout your body. A good way to make sure you are really cleaning these germs off your hands completely is to sing the ABCs once. By doing that, you are ensuring that all of the germs have been completely scrubbed away. It is also a good idea to carry around a hand sanitizer with you in case of germ-filled emergencies. A strong body is a healthy body. By staying healthy, you are also at a much lower risk of becoming sick. Make sure to eat lots of healthy foods like fruits and vegetables to keep your body strong and ready to fight off sicknesses that may come your way. Take vitamins. Vitamins can provide nutrition to the body and can give some extra help in fighting off any germs that may have gotten in. There are many different types of vitamins available, such as vitamin C that can be found in orange juice. It helps develop your body tissue, making you grow healthy. Do not panic if you get sick. Just being around others means you will get sick from time to time. There are many ways to get healthy quick, if you do catch something like a cold and become ill. As hard as it may be to rest, it is important to relax when you are sick. Make sure to lay in bed with a warm blanket for a good majority of the day. Have a parent check your temperature constantly as well. By resting, it gives your body time to heal and get better fast. Lastly, make sure to drink lots of fluids, like we were talking about earlier. Juices like orange juice are filled with vitamins, giving your body the health it needs. Also drink plenty of hot tea with honey to soothe the scratch in your throat. Make sure to still have fun. Don't be scared of the germs that fill your surroundings. Germs exist everywhere, and you are bound to get sick every here and there. When you follow these steps to avoid them, though, you have a much better chance at staying strong and healthy.